So Guy Thompson getting ready to answer some jury questions. Let me bring in Philip Snyder, criminal defense attorney. Okay, you've been following this case closely. This witness is interesting. We've got a lot of witnesses taking the stand who know Dr. Macneill, who had contact with them. And there's been so much talk about this toe cancer. Is it real? Is it not real? How much do you think this is resonating with the jury in terms of the larger scheme of the prosecution's case?
I don't really think it's resonating that much. All I've heard about this trial is this fair and this magic toe. I can't believe it. They're trying to make a big deal about the toe because he wasn't able to lift his wife out of the bathtub, and the defense is saying, no, the reason why he couldn't do it is he has this toe and the cane, and I don't know. I think at the end of the day, the jury is going to be focusing on much other important information, and the toe will fall away in the wayside.
But you make a good point, because you brought up the work safety fair as well. That was significant because it set a timeline that I don't even think the defense was prepared for, saying that he arrived at 11, but that everyone was working their schedule around him, and that schedule shifted back and forth. The defense didn't seem prepared for that, saying, you didn't say that earlier, right?
No, I don't think the defense was prepared for that. I think that the state's trying to make it as an issue because they're saying that, look, your alibi is weak, it's flawed, and there's holes in it. And you could have easily just driven home just a few 5-minute car ride away. So I think that the alibi is having holes poked in it, and that is going to be a significant hurdle for the defense to overcome.
But are these real holes they're poking? I mean, every case where somebody has an alibi, the prosecution's going to try to say, no, doesn't exist. Here's why. Here's the opportunity. Are you seeing a significant amount of opportunity here?
No, not yet. I haven't seen the state really do anything to move the ball down the field. They're trying to say that he was agitated and he was animated, and the defense is saying, no, he was just distraught. So there really hasn't been much to show anything. It's much to do about nothing. Now, I'm sure when the other witnesses take the stand, such as his daughter and such as Gypsy and such as some of the other witnesses, the one that says that the pills were taken, the one that says that he wanted to take a picture at the scene to try to memorialize his presence, I think that will resonate much more with the jury.